My name is Lisa Peoples. I am the area manager for the Hoover cluster, and I have been with Food Services for about 12 years. So how I got into school nutrition is because I was working social work, case management, and I got a flyer home that said, we need people, we need food service workers. So I just thought about it and I decided to apply because I felt like I was missing out on my son's life. I started at PB Middle as a 2-hour worker, and I met Baba, and she was like, she watched me for the first week, and then she's like, oh, you're very smart, you're very good. I'm gonna teach you things. So from there, I started working my way up. I got a call and they were like, how would you like to try to work at Hoover, which is a high school? And I said, I'd love to try. I loved it. Interacting with all the young adults. I call them young adults because they're not really kids at high school. I made a lot of different connections. Some of them I've helped, like by just encouraging them to go to class. Like when they come through the line, I ask them like, how's your grades going this year? You know, what are your aspirations? Then they've taught me a lot of things about how to trust and love everyone and to accept everybody for their differences. My coworkers are wonderful. I got the best team ever. We have fun at work. We listen to different types of music while we're working, and they teach me things about their family, and we learn different things about food. We learn recipes together. You know, you get to learn about grandbabies and births and graduations, and it's a phenomenal organization to work for. No, I just wanted to do the best job I could, and I wanted to land somewhere where I could plant my feet and really get into the nitty-gritty of it and retire. And I wanted to make a difference. I wanted to come somewhere where I could impact somebody else's life.